How to uninstall Unreal Engine 5 from Windows PC. So if you want to uninstall Unreal Engine 5 from Windows PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your Epic Games launcher. Because you can't delete it from your control panel, you need to open up your Epic Games launcher, and here on the left side, you will have Unreal Engine. Click on Unreal Engine. Once you click on it, now the latest update is 5.5. So you just need simply go with the library section, and here you will have your engine versions, right? And here under this engine versions, you will find your Unreal Engine. But in my case, I've not installed it. But if you've already installed it and if you want to uninstall it, then you can go with the drop down. And from the drop down, you can go with remove. Once you go with remove, you will have uninstall option. You just need to simply click on uninstall and your Unreal Engine 5 will be uninstalled from your Windows PC. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.